Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to expand a photo using Photoshop. Okay, so let's pull up our photo here. Now, the only thing that we have to do is look at our picture and determine how much we want to expand it. So let's just say you got a picture that was taken and you got it from a friend or a family member. They sent you the picture, but it's cropped too much. And when you post your photo, you want to place it, or you want at least the top of the head showing and at least the shoulders. So how we can do that is let's click on our layer. Let's hit C. That pulls up the crop tool or the generative expand function. Okay, now let's see. We want her head to be like a whole piece, and we also want the shoulders to show as well. So let's just pull up right here, and we will give Photoshop some room to work. And the shoulders, let's do it like so. Okay, now let's see what we come up with. And we will click, let's apply that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Let's try our second option here. Not bad. That one takes the cake. The third option takes the cake. That's nice, but then what happened is we ran into sort of well, I wouldn't say an issue, but we kind of don't want this cloudish look in the back. Now, in order for us to remove this background right here, let's just say we're satisfied with these results. Only thing we'd have to do is let's go ahead and click on our new generative expand layer here. And all we have to do, let's pull up a eraser, hit E, pull up the eraser tool, and let's make it just a little bit bigger. Hitting the, it looks like the right bracket there. And we will see if we can just erase this. Okay. Okay, now the only thing we have to do, let's make a new layer. Let's pull that all the way to the bottom there. And let's pull up our paint bucket tool by hitting G on the keyboard. And first of all, let's hit the eyedropper tool, hit I, and let's select a color here. There we go. Now hit G. Pulls up the paint bucket tool. Make sure our bottom layer is selected, and right there. And there we have it. Voila. That looks good, guys. That looks good. And see how these lines are right here, guys? I want to kind of make that just a little bit smoother. So what we'll do is we'll click on the layer mask here on our generative expand layer, and let's pull up the eraser tool, hit E, and we want the brush to be a little bit softer there. So let's see what we can do. Hit the left bracket, makes the brush a little bit smaller, and there we go. There we go. That looks good, guys. That's it. That's all we have to do. Now we can check out the before and the after. Before, after. Not bad, not bad. Now that right there, guys, is the true meaning of head and shoulders. Okay. So, like always, guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.